friends, today's episode is all about from Health Corner. So we are going to make something healthy and exciting and your favorite dessert, that is oats fudge brownie. So why this fudge brownie is very much guilt free and you can enjoy your dessert without feeling guilt, because we are using some unique ingredients like dark chocolate and oats and sugar in the raw. So all are full of antioxidant and oats have lot of fiber. So instead of using full refined flour, we are using oats. So there would be a very big change in your dessert. So in this way we can modify our lifestyle and we can enjoy our guilt-free dessert. So let's see what all are there for our healthier version of fudge brownie. 1 cup oats flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour, approximately 2 cups of sugar in the raw, half cup of dark chocolate chip, vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon salt, half cup room temperature butter, half cup white oil, 3/4 cup organic cocoa powder, 3 eggs room temperature, and 1 teaspoon coffee, that is instant coffee powder diluted in the water. Butter goes in. Make sure all the ingredients are in the room temperature. That will help to dilute and mix the mixture properly. And mix with oil. Blend together until smooth. 1 tablespoon instant coffee mix. If you have problem with coffee, please try to avoid these steps. 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Let's add the sugar mixture in the butter and oil mixture. This is not cake, this is fudge brownie, so it will be little bit tight and hard in texture. Now time to add egg, and doesn't matter if you add whole egg together or one at a time. Now time to add all dry ingredients together. So oats flour goes in, cocoa powder goes in, and 1 teaspoon salt. Sieve it because there should not be any lumps. See how many hard stuff are coming out. Look at this. This will just spoil your brownie, so just make sure you are using this sieve. Now time to mix all these dry ingredients with your wet ingredients. You have to just try to mix it properly. Add the all-purpose flour now. You have to just try to mix it properly. It will not be very flowy in texture. Look at this consistency. It should be very thick and gooey in texture. Now the time to add chocolate chip. If you are having some dark chocolate, grated chocolate, that will work fine too. I have some semi-sweet chocolate chip, I'll add it. You can add half cup. If you need more chocolatey, then you can add 1 cup. I'm adding half cup of it. and gently mix. Let me tell you a trick how to grease your baking pan. Take room temperature butter and grease it with a brush so that your parchment paper stick properly from the top. So I have some parchment paper I have cut from the corner, so it will exactly fit here. Now it will be very easy to pour my batter, as well as when I will demold it, it will help me to demold very smoothly. So look how easy it is to stick parchment paper to your baking tray, and that will help you to demold so nice. Make sure you are spreading it evenly. Don't forget to follow this trick too, to tap from the bottom to spread it evenly. My fudge brownie is ready to get into the oven. I'm putting it inside the 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 35 minutes. So we just took it out after baking 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 35 minutes inside. Then you cool it down completely 2 hours on the cooling rack. Then you cut it. Friends, look at this fudge brownie, how the texture is. See, the texture is very juicy and chewy from the inside with the choco chip, and from outside it's little hard crust, and it is going to be a very tasty and healthy. Can you imagine, this is tasting like same brownie fudge, but this is guilt free. You can call it guilt free brownie bite, because it has the goodness of oats, brown sugar and eggs. You can store it inside the closed container inside the freezer for up to 3 weeks. So friends, don't forget to take a bite of this healthy brownie fudge or guilt-free oats brownie fudge, and don't forget to subscribe my channel www.youtube.com/sinkintomycreations, and don't forget to follow my blog too, www.sinkintomycreation.com, for many more exciting recipes.